I want to create. You can see the I this is a background that I downloaded from YouTube, from the Google listing. So I'll be using it for the design. I want to import the image I want to use. Okay, this is the image I want to use. Just follow me. Okay, this is the image I want to use. Let me import it. Here it is. Okay, I want to work with this background. Let me place it here. Okay, now you can see there is a white destiny here. You can just click the object, then give it blue. Now so I want to blend this background with my color here. I just have to click on my transparency tools, then I will have to adjust it so they can blend. Now I already blend it, so you won't even know that I joined this together, but you think they are the same. Can you see? Can you see that? Okay, that's what I just did. So that's what I did. I blend colors together. Now I want to put this here. So you can also put this here. You see, very simple. If I want to write it a text, I can just come here and write welcome to okay, let me give it welcome to, just follow me, welcome to Financial Paul YouTube channel. Financial Paul YouTube channel. You can see this. So Financial Paul YouTube channel. Okay, I can bring this here. Like, doesn't have much information like that. Okay, I want to break this and bring it here. Okay, it's loading. Okay, alright, YouTube channel. Okay, wait, Financial Paul. Let me give it another font. Come here, title case with Financial Paul. You can see this, very simple. That is to yourself. It's a simple design for a YouTube channel art, like the cover of a YouTube. It's very simple. You too can do this. It's very simple. Now, so in the next video, I'll be showing you how you can create logo, business card, letterhead. Then we're going to finish our deal here. Thank you. I want to do this. Thank you. Just keep learning. You will master the art, and make sure you join the advanced class. You need to learn a lot from the advanced class. You need to join. I hope to see you soon. Thank you.